It looks like Nicki Minaj is throwing a little bit of shade at Kylie Jenner's man, Travis Scott.
So Scott's album Astroworld is #1 the same week as Minaj's album Queen, but it seems like she isn't thrilled that Kylie Jenner helped promote Scott's album.
So the rapper aired her grievances on Twitter with a screenshot of Jenner's post about her boyfriend's album, saying in part, Travis sold over 50K of these with no requirement of redeeming the album, with no dates for a tour, etc. I spoke to him. He knows he doesn't have the #1 album this week.
She went on to add, I put my blood, sweat, and tears into writing a dope album, only for Travis Scott to have Kylie Jenner post a tour pass telling people to come see her and Stormy, LOL. I'm actually laughing. Queen broke the record of being #1 in 86 countries.
Little salty there. Now, Travis Scott's Astroworld made it to #1 on the Billboard 200 charts in its debut week. Kylie did post about the album, saying, me and Stormy are ready for the tour, with a link to his site.
But despite the Twitter rant, Minaj seems to be okay with the Kardashian-Jenner family because Kim Kardashian actually attended her album launch party just hours before Kylie's 21st birthday party. So it seems like she's okay with the family. I think she's just maybe a little salty.
I think generally speaking, someone like Nicki Minaj wants to kind of define herself in her own light and not sort of fall into the Kardashian thing,
but
maybe.
Also, what do you expect? Of course, Kylie's going to promote Travis's album.
She's all about him.
Yes,
right.
And she's going to be on tour. So I mean, you can't be surprised that happened.
Or maybe this is all a scheme to get us all talking about it.
I know, and exactly what we're doing.
Guess what?